Alright guys, I just bought this 1991 Chevrolet S10. It's got a 4.3 liter V6 automatic transmission, and I figured I'd just walk around, show you what's up. The body is, leaves something to be desired, but it's not too bad. A couple of rough spots here and there, but really not bad at all. I think the tail lights might be new, they look good. Tailgate works. I lifted up the mat earlier in the bed and I didn't see any rust, but we'll have to look at that better later. Few more rust spots, same as the other side. The worst rust is behind the cab here. It's worse on the other side, but yeah, it's definitely falling apart right there. Both doors work, so that's good. And we have the interior special of the Mexi blanket. It's kind of falling apart, so I'm going to get rid of that. And in general, the interior is kind of in tatters. This is lots of fun to play with. Definitely works. There we go. Okay. Got a nice Bluetooth stereo. Not really. Some random parts in the back. There's like one extra brand new headlight, tire thingy, cup holder, and that's about it. No seats back here. I guess the previous owner took them out, or someone did. And we got the nice two-tone black and red carpet with custom door panels, as you can see on the bottom there. Kinda, really good condition. And if you need to know anything, that's all you need to know about the truck right there. Nice and tight up here, super good. If you know what I mean. Here's that worst rust I was talking about. And yeah, other than the asbestos, here we got the special seatbelt that doesn't retract. Bottom does, but not the shoulder straps, so need to get that replaced. This was probably the spring for the retractor in the seatbelt, and I don't even know what's in there. Oh, and if you need to know anything about the previous owner, this is the keychain it came with. So let's start her up and see how she runs. I actually drove her over an hour home, and she runs pretty good. I haven't driven her much slow speeds though, so let's check it out. Haven't checked out the exhaust yet. Oh, we got some black smoke. Just a little bit though. Don't really know what I'm smelling for, but it smells like something. I'll have to look into that later. Haven't been under the truck yet, so looks good, right? I don't know. We'll check it out in more detail later as well. Let's pop the hood. Yeah, like I said, runs pretty good. A little rough in the idle sometimes, but new alternator. AC doesn't work right now. Previous owner said it was just the blower motor, so we'll be fixing that as soon as possible. But yeah, not too bad. Alright, let's give her a little test drive. The whole truck kind of shudders when you put it into gear, so I think I need to look into the transmission for sure. And the little indicator doesn't line up with what gear you're actually in, so you just got to go by the number of clicks. Or positions or whatever. Let's make it so you can guys see. There we go. Yeah, shifts kind of hard at slow speeds. Not too crazy though. She's actually got some good pick up and go. Both blinkers work. Stock is really stiff though. So let's just give her a drive around the neighborhood, see how she feels. As far as I know, all the lights work, which is good. Definitely gonna need some suspension work, but you know, it's falling apart as we go. One thing I forgot is to mention the windows. This one is off the regulator or the track or whatever, I don't know. It doesn't go up by itself without a lot of persuasion, so definitely need to fix the AC so I can get some good air in here. The other one works, it's just a little slow. And like I said, blower motor doesn't work. Oh, this is my favorite thing about the truck. It's so junky. But that's about the state she's in right now. Plan on making videos on fixing her up, and hopefully, if my videos do well, maybe I can do a full restoration. So yeah, follow me, subscribe, whatever, you know. Let's see if we can get this thing in better condition. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.